Ever bought a hot chocolate maker because the photos promised cafe-level cocoa, then ended up with lukewarm milk, unmelted powder, and a cleanup job that somehow felt worse than washing a saucepan? Yeah, that is exactly why choosing one gets weirdly complicated. So before you spend money on a machine that just takes up counter space, let's count down the 6 best hot chocolate makers and find the one that actually fits how you drink cocoa. 6. Hotel Chocolat Hot Chocolate Maker. The Velvetizer is probably the machine most people picture when they hear luxury hot chocolate maker. It has that polished, gift-worthy look, and the whole idea is simple. Add milk, add drinking chocolate flakes, press one button, and wait about 2.5 minutes. It is best for the person who wants one rich dessert-like hot chocolate and cares more about taste and texture than making a whole batch. What makes it different is that it is not trying to be a giant family appliance. It is designed around one serving, roughly 8 to 9 ounces depending on the version and market. That sounds small, but honestly, for a proper, rich European-style drinking chocolate, a huge mug can be overkill. You want something dense, creamy, and satisfying, not a bucket of sugary milk. The whisk creates a vortex that blends the chocolate into the milk while gently heating it, and that gentle heating matters. Hot chocolate can go from silky to flat or slightly scorched when it gets too aggressive. The Velvetizer aims for a drink-ready temperature around 155 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can actually sip it without waiting 10 minutes and burning your tongue anyway. Now here's the downside. It is expensive for a machine that makes 1 cup at a time. If you're serving 2 people, somebody's waiting. If you're serving 4 people, well, you've accidentally started a hot chocolate production line in your kitchen. It also works best with Hotel Chocolat's flakes or finely grated good quality chocolate. Number 5. Dualit Hot Chocolate Maker. The Dualit is a practical little machine with 3 main jobs: heat milk, froth hot milk, or froth cold milk. So yes, it can make hot chocolate, but it also has a life beyond December. It is best for someone who wants a compact hot chocolate maker that can handle hot milk and cold foam for coffee drinks. Its heated milk capacity is around 10.8 ounces, which puts it in that personal drink category. The cordless jug, cool touch body, non-stick interior, and magnetic whisk are all nice touches for everyday use. And the motor keeps running briefly after heating to help reduce the chance of milk sticking or burning at the bottom. That's one of those details that sounds minor until you have scrubbed a burnt milk ring at 7 a.m. For hot chocolate, the Dualit gives you freedom. You can use cocoa powder, chocolate buttons, chopped chocolate, or whatever recipe you like. That is a big advantage over machines that feel closely tied to one brand's consumables. Want dark chocolate with cinnamon? Go for it. Want oat milk with a little vanilla? Easy. Want a cold chocolate milkshake style drink? The cold froth option is there. But the smaller capacity can feel limiting. It is enough for 1 generous mug or maybe 2 smaller drinks, not a family batch. And because it is fundamentally a milk frother that can make hot chocolate, you may need to help the process with finely chopped chocolate or properly whisked cocoa powder. Nostalgia Hot Chocolate Maker. Best for families, holiday hosts, and anyone who believes 1 mug of hot chocolate is simply not enough. The nostalgia changes the conversation because capacity is the headline. This one can handle up to 32 ounces, or about 900 milliliters, which means you can make enough for several people instead of repeating the same process over and over. That alone makes it a serious contender for movie nights, sleepovers, holiday gatherings, and those rainy afternoons when everyone suddenly wants cocoa at the same time. It gives you 3 settings: warm milk froth, cold milk froth, and hot chocolate. That means it can make hot cocoa, cappuccinos, lattes, macchiatos, iced drinks, and yes, a very respectable base for a homemade mocha. The easy pour spout is more useful than it sounds. When you are pouring a full batch of chocolate milk into multiple mugs, control matters. Nobody wants to finish a cozy evening by wiping brown foam off the counter. The large jug is clearly built for sharing. This machine also gets points for being approachable. Add your milk, select the function, let it work. No complicated menus, no phone app, no 40-page manual that makes a cup of cocoa feel like filing taxes. Just straightforward function. Of course, a large capacity machine is not necessarily the best pick for a person who only makes one drink every few days. It takes up more room, and if you only fill it for a single small mug, you're not really using its biggest advantage. The Zulay electric hot chocolate maker. The Zulay sits in a useful middle ground. It is best for people who want a larger, practical machine for hot chocolate, coffee foam, and everyday milk heating. It is larger and more flexible than the tiny single-cup models, but it is still designed like a familiar frother rather than a giant countertop dispenser. The pitcher has a total capacity of 23 ounces, while its recommended limits are more specific, up to 13 ounces for heated milk or hot chocolate, and up to 8.5 ounces for hot or cold foam. Those different fill lines matter, by the way. Foam expands, and overfilling is a quick way to learn why manufacturers put warning marks inside the jug. It functions as a 4-in-1 setup: hot foam, cold foam, hot milk, and hot chocolate. So you can make a classic creamy cocoa one night and then use it for a latte the next morning and cold foam for iced coffee when the weather changes. That kind of versatility helps justify leaving it on the counter. The stainless steel design and detachable dishwasher-safe components are another real plus. Chocolate can be stubborn. It clings. It judges you. So the easier the cleanup, the more likely you are to actually use the machine instead of reaching for the microwave. For hot chocolate, the Zulay is especially useful if you like creating your own recipes. You can control sweetness, use dairy or plant milk, add cocoa powder, melted chocolate, a pinch of salt, cinnamon, or even protein powder. 2. Maestri House Hot Chocolate Maker. The Maestri House model is for people who notice details. It is best for the person who wants more control over milk texture, temperature, and batch size without making drinks feel complicated. Maybe you like your cocoa hot but not scalding. Maybe you want silky milk for a mocha, then thick foam for a cappuccino. Maybe you simply enjoy pressing buttons until your drink feels exactly right. No judgment, that is the fun part. This machine uses smart touch controls and a memory function so it can remember your previous settings. It is designed for hot foam, cold foam, warm milk, and hot chocolate, making it much more than a single-use cocoa appliance. The flexibility is what pushes it near the top. Capacity is also generous. It can heat up to 500 milliliters, roughly 16.9 ounces, while frothing capacity is lower at around 250 milliliters. For hot chocolate, the recommended mix is roughly 400 milliliters of milk with up to 100 grams of chocolate powder, giving you enough for multiple smaller servings or a couple of substantial mugs. The temperature and froth settings give this machine a real advantage. Different hot chocolates benefit from different treatment. A lighter milk chocolate drink may be better with lighter foam. A darker, more intense cocoa might benefit from warmer milk and minimal foam so the chocolate flavor stays front and center. The Maestri House gives you room to experiment. The non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe pitcher and whisks also make it feel designed for repeat use, not just special occasions. Instant Pot MagicFroth 9-in-1 Milk Frother. Best for anyone who wants the most versatile hot chocolate maker for both cozy cocoa and a full coffee shop drink routine. The MagicFroth 9-in-1 wins because it gives you the broadest range of useful choices without becoming intimidating. It combines 3 temperature settings, cold, warm, and hot, with 3 froth levels, stir, foam, and extra foam. That creates 9 possible drink setups. For hot chocolate, the stir setting is the secret weapon. You do not always want a mountain of foam on cocoa. Sometimes you want smooth, warm milk that blends chocolate evenly and pours like a proper drink. Choose hot plus stir, and you are much closer to that creamy cafe-style texture. Then, when you want something lighter and more playful, switch to foam or extra foam. Use it for a foamy mocha, a marshmallow-topped cocoa, or a coffee drink where you want texture to lead. The same pitcher can serve both moods, which is why it feels like a better long-term buy than a machine that only does one thing. Capacity is another big reason it takes the top spot. The removable stainless steel pitcher holds up to 17 ounces for heating, enough for 2 8-ounce cups of milk, while frothing limits are 8.5 ounces for regular foam and 6.5 ounces for extra foam. That makes it flexible for solo drinks and small shared moments. The controls are simple, with 4 buttons and a display, plus a cool touch handle and a removable pitcher that's easy to clean. Outro. That's all for today, folks.